Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. To get started, pull down your notification panel and find the hotspot, which for me it's right over here, Mobile Hotspot. Once you find it, you can hold the toggle and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can change things like, for instance, the password, which you can see right here. So let's tap on it and we can remove this one and set our own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. You can also change the name of the hotspot itself if you want to, make it, for instance, a little bit shorter. There we go. And that's about all the settings we got. So from here, once you have changed, for instance, the password or just wrote down the existing one, randomly generated one, then you can enable hotspot from here by tapping on a check mark, which I don't have a SIM card, so I just can't. But you just toggle this on and that's it. It will be now enabled. Now there's also a way to do it through the notification panel by simply tapping on a toggle. And again, can't enable it because I don't have a SIM card. Now that being said, additional thing that I'll mention is once you're done using the hotspot, do turn it off, otherwise it will be using more of your battery on your device for basically no reason. And you turn it off by, again, tapping on the toggle once more. So if it's below, for instance, like location is enabled, so you disable it like this, and that's basically all it takes to turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.